Musamseleku allow his women to be independent. Even Mayeni asked Musamseleku to have a job. He find a job for Mayeni. He find a job for Makumalo. But those wives now, they don't want to be controlled by Musamseleku. The person who listen to Musamseleku is Macele only, because Macele is depending to him. You can't control an independent woman. What he did, he want to help his wives. His wives are complaining that they don't have a job. They want to have their money. Guys, when we started watching Utando Nestembo, those wives, they are driving their cars. No one who was working without a car. Even the way he buy those Mercedes Benz, it was not the first time Musamseleku buying cars for his wives. So those wives, they have got a good life. Even the way they started to stay with the Musamseleku was providing for his wives. But he listened to them because they want to make their own money. Musamseleku continues to buy groceries for them. But the person now who is not depending to Musamseleku is Makumalo. That's why he doesn't have power to control Makumalo, because Makumalo is an independent woman. That's why you saw other men, they say, I don't want my wife to work. It's like Makumalo now, because Makumalo doesn't want to listen anything to Musamseleku, even the way Musamseleku was treating Makumalo. But now people, they saw that to be independent, it not means that you don't want to listen to your man or to respect him. Now guys, it's drama between Makumalo and Musamseleku, especially Makumalo started staying in Durban. She is no longer staying in Musumbe. It's way worse. Musamseleku doesn't have power now to say anything to Makumalo. We heard Makumalo, Musamseleku says, where is the toilet? And Makumalo says, outside. Guys, there is many toilets on inside Makumalo's house, but she says outside. You understand? Musamseleku doesn't have power. If Makumalo, she was staying in Muzumbe, I don't think Makumalo can answer Musamseleku in such a way she can say it's outside, because it was Musamseleku's compound. That's why Makumalo was continuing respecting Musamseleku at that time, but she knows that Musamseleku doesn't love him. Makumalo was waiting for the right time. That's why we saw on season 8 Makumalo started changing, because it was the right time now. She says she is settled. You understand him? Musamseleku, he doesn't know that Makumalo one day she can change. Yes, now she is an independent woman. That's why you saw other men, they don't want their women to work because they want to continue controlling them. You can't control an independent woman. Yes, to Mayeni and Mangwawe, he can control them, but not like that. Because Mayeni and Mangwawe, sometimes if they don't want to talk to Musamseleku, they can afford to buy groceries for themselves. You understand? But Musamseleku, he is doing it because he have got kids with them. But if they don't want, they can afford now to buy groceries for themselves. But Makumalo, it's worse. Because when we started watching Utando Nestembo, Makumalo was respecting Musamseleku because Makumalo, she doesn't have a lot of income. Makumalo at that time. But it's fame. Makumalo started joining Housewives of Durban. That program, Housewives of Durban, Makumalo was earning two salaries, I think. Utando Nestembo and Housewives of Durban are two salaries Makumalo she was earning. After Housewives of Durban, they opened Ozomshado. After opening Ozomshado, Makumalo started getting bread. What we say, advertising breads to advertise. We saw Modo company, other companies Makumalo was advertising. Makumalo started getting extra money in other branches. I don't know on Isngane system. Maybe I think Makumalo, you have got shares again. At other side, she was working. So Makhumalo started earning more. That's Makhumalo changed her life.